Hello friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on March 3rd, 2021. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to the Volcanic Activity Report. Starting out here looking at some pretty outstanding images coming out of the Pacaya volcano in Guatemala. Over the past few days, there's been large eruptions like this, straight lava fountains coming out of a lot of volcanoes around the planet right now. It seems that feels like we're being squeezed or maybe expanding along the equator. These are all images out of Guatemala this morning. Daytime eruptions, nighttime eruptions in Pacaya right now, as well Fuego, Pacaya, Santiaguito. Large eruptions in, of course, Sinabung. But look at that, outstanding, spectacular lava displays across the planet right now. Continuous and multiple eruptions in Popo. As well, look at this huge cavern that is opened up in the Kluchevskoye volcano. Very active there. Some helicopter images here. Amazing. So you got to wonder, with the increase in volcanoes around the planet, what's up? More images here at Merapi, Indonesia. Also worried about the volcanoes in Iceland recently, with all of the earthquakes surrounding the large volcano on the southwestern point of Iceland. Look at all the earthquakes. My oh my. So let's start out here looking at the 49 active and erupting volcanoes from around the world. Starting out here in Mexico with Popo, down into Guatemala, Santiaguito, as well Pacaya, Fuego, down into Nicaragua here. 5 active volcanoes there and erupting. San Cristobal volcano, Tilica, Masaya, Rincon de la Vieja, down into Costa Rica with Tirabla, then over to St. Vincent, South America, Colombia, Nevadas de Rules, the mighty Reventador in Ecuador, and as well Sangay. Moving down into Chile, active and erupting Sabancaya, and as well Nevadas de Chilean and Villarrica. Moving across the ocean here to the African continent, where 2 active in the center of the continent, Nyiramergira and as well Nyiragongo. Over into Ethiopia, Erta volcano, and as well through the Mediterranean, Italy and Sicily, Etna, and as well Stromboli, both active. Many eruptions, explosive, through Italy recently, and you got to wonder what's going on. All the earthquakes recently in Greece. Thoughts and prayers going out to everybody there. Hopefully there are no more earthquakes. Large 6.3 early this morning, and many aftershocks. Barren Island volcano, as well Sinabung, Kerinci, Merapi, Semeru, and as well Bromo and Rung. Sengeng Api volcano as well. Many active and erupting volcanoes through Indonesia. Luwatolo, moving up into the Philippines, Ibu, Dakono, and as well Karangatang. Over in Japan, Sakurajima, Suisanojima, and as well Era is not being reported here. I'm not sure why. Sarchi there, and as well Ebeko. 4 very active volcanoes on Kamchatka, Karaminsky, Bezimiany, Kluchevskoy, and Shoveluch. And as well through the Alaskan Peninsula, Sesmapoichnoi volcano is erupting again. Over to the middle of the Pacific Ocean here to Hawaii, of course, we have the active Kilauea, but as well we do have a Mauna Loa who is on unrest right now, popping up here in the unrest yellow bar or yellow icon. Moving down into Papua New Guinea, where we have Kadavor, Manam, and Lengila. Over into New Caledonia and Fiji, the Yasur, and as well the mighty Erebus, last but not least in Antarctica. So 49 volcanoes around the planet erupting right now, active and erupting. And there are many that are showing signs of unrest around the planet. Sign of the times? I would say so. Fire and brimstone falling over Sicily, Italy. Stay aware and prepared, my friends and family, in all of these locations. Very active recently, many earthquakes, China, many earthquakes down in the Loyalty Islands region. Earth is changing before our eyes. Be ready. Thoughts and prayers to everybody worldwide affected by volcanoes. This has been the Volcanic Activity Report, 49 erupting. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your warning due. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.